So let's say you have an AirPod and one of the AirPod is basically not working. So what I would suggest you to do is first factory reset it. For that, you can see the little button over here behind. Hold on it and press it and just look at it. There's going to be a blinking white button. Wait for some time. You're going to see an amber light once. Once you see an amber light once and again the white light flashes, just hold on this for like 10 seconds and it'll reset. Once it resets, basically your AirPods should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what could be the problem is maybe there's a dust on this AirPods charging point. So it's not like, charging, only one side is charging. So that could be the problem. In that case, just take one of those AirPods out real quickly like this. Once it is out, try to check this because this is the main charging point. If there's any dust, try to clean it with dry cloth. Do not use water, and just like try to clean this part as well because maybe some dust are in here. You can blow air in it through your mouth, or you can try to just take the dust out like this, but don't put water in it. Okay, most people, they use like alcohol water because they think it's not going to damage it, but if the water stays inside, then of course it's going to damage it as well. So keep that in mind. Okay, so that's basically what you need to do to fix like only one side not working. And even after doing this, if it's still not working, maybe your AirPods are damaged, take it to Apple Care and they'll fix it. Hope this helps you. Subscribe.